governed by the pitta. It could be digestion, it could be assimilation, it could be metabolism, it could be activities of chemical activity at the cell level or at very micro level or very macro level. But all the metabolic activities, transformational, means if I eat something, it is distributed, it is done with some nutrition and some waste product, and this nutrition is being used for our body and waste product is thrown out. So this is a process of pitta, is a fire activity. So pitta is everywhere. Ayurveda says that even emotions are governed by the pitta, because emotions are some transformation from something to the other. So if I am angry, anger do not stay, but I do get angry by some transformation of emotions, conversion or some activity is going there, some type of transformation activity, not movement. So if I am anxious, if I am angry, if I am depressed, all these emotions are governed by pitta and kapha. Kapha is governed, is represents water and earth in our body. So water and earth, it is like a base for our all activities. So our bones, our flesh tissue, shape of the body, shape of the cells, everything is done by the water and earth. So is a shape. Solid substratum of the body is kapha. This is very important to know anything about Ayurveda. Vata, Pitta, Kapha is the base. Basic understanding is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. But there is little bit of more that I will just tell and then I will go ahead. Is about the properties of the mind. Ayurveda has this separate existence of mind. Ayurveda says mind should be considered everywhere. So if mind we do not understand mind, then we cannot do anything. Ayurveda says there are three properties of the mind, and it's also made from 5 elements. One is sattva, is a state of complete balance. So everybody wants state of complete balance. It means that we should always do something that we have more and more sattva. But there are 2 more, rajas and tamas. Rajas is dynamism and activity, and tamas is inertia. So whatever I am doing is rajasic activity. I am doing some presentation. I am trying to put this knowledge, is activity. So rajas is makes us mind active, and tamas it is a vice versa of rajas, means that inertia, not doing anything. But extreme of activity or extreme of inertia, both are not good for us. So if I am extreme inert, then I become very lazy, I become very critical, very negative. The extreme of rajas makes me hyperactive, too much active. So this balancing is done by rajas, sattva balancing. So sattva is required to balance everything. Sattva requires to tell us that now it is time to be active, now it is time to be rested. So sleep also is governed by these principles, that when it is time to sleep, the tamas overpowers us and then we sleep. When it is time to get active, then rajas, it becomes little more dominant and then we become active. So balancing of everything is required according to Ayurveda.